Have you ever been taking a picture of someone and they're smiling in the picture, but you're also behind the camera smiling as well? Or have you ever caught yourself sad and someone's like, hey, if you just smile for like 10 seconds, you'll feel happier than you do right now? I've heard that and I've tried it, and it works. I've also caught myself smiling behind the camera, and I wondered, why do these things happen? Hi, my name is Tequila Davis, and today I will be informing you on why smiles are contagious and how they influence our communication. It's important that we are informed on this topic because we need to know how smiles influence our communication so we can navigate our communicative processes in an effective way. I have done extensive research on this topic. I have read articles and looked through journals, looked at news postings, just so I can inform you on this topic. Specifically, I will be talking about the biological reasons on why smiles are contagious, also the psychological reasons on why smiles are contagious, and how these reasons influence our communication. To begin with the biological reasons, when we smile, our brain releases endorphins and neurotransmitters that decrease stress levels, they decrease our heart rate, and they lower our blood pressure. According to Howard from 2016, when Howard interviewed Wood, they said, sensory motor stimulation in our brains is what causes this bizarre mimicry to occur without us even realizing it. When you see a facial expression and you don't know what it means, your brain automatically recreates it. And when you see a facial expression, it's an involuntary response, and you automatically do the same exact facial expression that you see with your eyes. Studies show that it takes conscious effort to frown when someone is smiling at you. So if I smile at you right now, try not to smile back. And it's not just those biological reasons that smiling is contagious. There are also psychological reasons. Another neurotransmitter that is released when we smile is serotonin. This serotonin is associated with feeling good and happiness. According to Chai from 2016, who also interviewed Wood, and Wood said, facial mimicry is an instinctive response to reading the emotions we are fed from other people. We do this in a matter of a few hundred milliseconds. Wood also went on to say that smiling will change your entire body. It changes the nervous system in a way that fits happiness. So when you smile, you're happy, you'll exude happiness, just like when you're sad, you exude sadness. And this is a building block for empathy. Eye contact is also something that enhances this contagious smiling phenomenon. So when you make eye contact with someone, the effects that contagious smiling has is enhanced by a lot. Eye contact and smiling are both nonverbal forms of communication. And communication is broadly affected by smiling. We use this knowledge as a pathway for our communication. According to Wang, Mao, Li, and Liu in 2017, they quote, a substantial amount of research suggests that smiles are powerful social forces that positively influence social judgments, end quote. And to paraphrase the rest of what they said, the vast amount of evidence shows that the vast amount of evidence on this shows that people associate smiling with a good response, and people will manipulate this so that they can get good feedback. In conclusion, contagious smiling affects your whole body. It affects you biologically, it affects you psychologically, and it affects your communication. Your smile makes a huge difference in this world, and it would be missed by a lot of people, and you don't even notice it. It would make a huge difference in someone, even if you're just passing by someone and you smile. It would literally turn their frown upside down.